All right.
Okay, today in lab we're going to try to use our PocketLab inside a plastic bag to measure pressure at different depths. So let's get started. Our first depth we want to have 5 centimeters and take a reading. Our next one we're going to do 10 centimeters and take a reading. Our third one will be 15 centimeters. Now that we've got all of our shallow depths, let's try and measure the pressure a little deeper. So today you're going to be doing a virtual version of that same experiment. You're going to take a virtual PocketLab and put it at the bottom of a cylindrical container. You're then going to have different amounts of fluid above that PocketLab, and you can use the arrows to move the fluid level up and down. Get a nice variety of depths, and for each depth you're going to measure the pressure. To measure the pressure, you're going to click on the PocketLab underneath of the fluid. When you click on the PocketLab, it will start collecting data, and you'll see that data appear in the graph window. It will collect data for a full 10 seconds. Just like in real life, the PocketLab will not give you a single pressure reading, but it will fluctuate a little bit. What you can do is estimate the average of all the data points that you collected. If you'd like to see it more clearly, click on the little arrow in the bottom left corner of the graph. That will expand it so you can get a better view of the graph. You can shrink it back up at any time. In this case, you can see that you're somewhere between 114 and 115 kilopascals. You want to estimate as best you can so you can get the most accurate data possible. When you are done collecting your pressures for all of your different depths, you're going to graph them and find the relationship. Once you have that relationship, you're then going to make predictions for the pressure at depths that you did not actually measure. So collect all the data points you need, make your graph, then hit the finish button and type in the slope of your graph, the y-intercept, and then your predicted pressure at a depth that you did not measure. Let me know if you have any questions.